Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course it is Friday, and often it is the Friday we get it. The update for Microsoft Edge, and also a reminder with this video to check for updates to your Chromium browsers with the more than 60 security flaws that are fixed this week. It is truly important to update your browsers. So in Microsoft Edge, the version now goes to 147.0.3912.60. It offers different options, including vertical tabs and so on. But most important, I think, the thing to talk about here is the 60 plus Chromium security flaws that are also fixed within this version. So this is where we are at, 147.0.3912.60. And it was released late today, Friday, well, mid-afternoon Friday, basically to everyone. So check it out. And of course, if you're using a Chromium browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, do go and check out for your updates. Make sure that you stay safe by updating your browsers also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.